Welcome to Hamilton Pool Reserve. Let's see if it looks anything like this picture. We've been in a drought, so not sure how much water we're about to see. Let's find out.
Woo, they got a Texas cooter turtle. It's Daddy's favorite turtle.
Daddy.
I like them. I like them a lot. Texas cooters. Woo!
Lord.
Ooh, doggy.
Cannot take him anywhere.
Ooh, doggy.
The fact that somebody named a turtle a cooter turtle, I have to say I'm very, very proud of my species.
You're rotten. The hike to Hamilton Pool is a quarter of a mile long. It is steep with uneven steps, and they say it takes approximately 30 minutes, but we got there a little faster than that. Well, that's cool. Very trusting. If you didn't hear him, he said keep your eye out for porcupine. We were at a winery in Fredericksburg walking under a tree and learned that a porcupine had pooped in someone's cup, and it was in the tree. So porcupines have nests in trees. Not all porcupines. I don't remember what species of porcupine that live in trees, but still, I didn't know any kind of porcupine lived in a tree. Yeah. I gotta tell you, this feels really weird hiking in my bathing suit and cover up with shoes and socks. Some fun facts about Hamilton Pool: the water can get to 50 degrees in some spots, and that would be why I only went to my knees. It was freezing. The waterfall never completely dries up, but if it's dry, then it will go to a slow trickle. Collapsed grotto and canyon uniquely surrounds the pool, formed by water erosion over thousands of years. Cultural remains near the pool are more than 8,000 years old. Lipan Apaches and Tonkawa lived in the area before the 1800s.
Full trail first?
Yes. I don't know anything about that river trail, or even if we want to do it. The trail that I researched at that ranch is supposed to be one of the best around here. It is cool. Yeah. She said there was none down here. Between 1960 and 1980, Hamilton Pool gained popularity, and as a result, the land suffered from the visiting public. The Texas Parks and Wildlife Department named Hamilton Pool the most significant natural area in rural Travis County in 1980. There is a limit on the number of people who can be in the preserve, which means there's a waiting line to swim in the summer. The wait time can be about an hour. Goober.
I don't know what they're called.
We literally just learned about it too.
Tastes pretty good though.
They're pretty though, aren't they?
Yeah.
She had to have said the name like 3 or 4 times too. thank you.
You guys geared up and everything.
Just strolling along. That's
all we
us.
are, too. These are my favorite trees.
It sounds like there's water falling, doesn't it?
Well,
Could just be part of the river.
she did say that water should be.
Oh, I asked her. She said no.
I thought she said yes.
Oh, it is falling. That's cool.
Pretty sure that was Jacob's.
There's the life jackets. Think I can go this way?
Well, I think
Oh,
oh, that's really off
okay. Oh. I know. Oh, turtle. That's pretty cool. They're just hanging out. That's pretty crazy. You think you can catch one?
With my teeth.
Oh my word.
I'm telling you. Keep doubting me.
Hmm. I wasn't expecting it to be so cold. I don't know that I'm gonna go. This is good. I'm already feel refreshed. Didn't even need to take my cover off. Oh my gosh.
It's pretty cold.
Michael. Michael. Camera shouldn't overheat anytime soon. The water is really cold. I wonder how good of a... But once you get in it though, it feels pretty good.
Yeah, I know.
How are you feeling in there?
I mean,
Did you get a fish?
I don't know. Something close.
Like they could be related. They could be related. I don't know that I want to get in there.
It gets comfortable. It's just that first little.
So cold.
Like just me being on my legs like that.
Yeah.
I warmed them up before, now I'm standing away from them. Oh, it's got those mud bugs that really hot on my mind. You know what I do?
I think he's backing away. Our visit to Hamilton Pool was very nice, and it's a shame that the rock slide was there, so we couldn't swim under the grotto like other people did. We didn't get to visit it in its heyday, but it was still really nice, and we enjoyed all the catfish swimming around. That was a huge highlight. If you enjoyed this video, then please subscribe to our channel, because why not? And check out that West Cave video. That is incredible, and in Texas no less, right across the street.